Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 6 Ways to use essential oils safely. Break essential oils can be used in various ways, such as inhaling them through a diffuser or applying a diluted solution to the skin. It is important to understanding how to use essential oils safely. Break 1. Put the oils in a diffuser. Break adding an essential oil to a diffuser is a good option when you want a particular space or room to smell of the essential oil. A diffuser creates scented vapor from the essential oil you put into it. Break for example, if you're using lavender essential oil for calming effects, you could add it to a diffuser in the room or space you want to relax in, such as your bedroom or a yoga studio. Other considerations include: break consider the effects on others. Because diffusers make a whole room smell of the essential oil, it's important to consider the effects on other people who may be sensitive to certain scents. Some diffusers require you to add water in addition to the essential oil, while others use heat to evaporate essential oils. Be sure to check the instructions before using your diffuser.Waterless diffusers are recommended for immunocompromised people or those with respiratory problems, as the lack of water reduces the risk of waterborne bacteria being released. Make sure the space you use the diffuser in is well ventilated. Long periods of exposure to high concentrations of essential oils can lead to heart and lung issues. 2. Inhale the oils directly. Break in addition to a diffuser, you can try an aroma stick, also known as an essential oil inhaler, which you place under your nose when you want the scent of your essential oil. Break an aroma stick has a wick that soaks up the essential oil and comes with a cap to keep the scent at bay when you don't want to smell it. Break aromatherapy accessories, such as bracelets or necklaces made with absorbent material you can soak with oil, are another option to inhale essential oils throughout the day. Break 3. Inhale the oils using the dry evaporation method. Break the dry evaporation method is another way to inhale essential oils indirectly but effectively. Break to do the dry evaporation method. Break allow the oil to evaporate into the air.Hold the material to your nose or place it somewhere nearby to get the scent in a less intense way. Place less than speak EU drops of your favorite essential oil on an absorbent material, such as a cotton ball, tissue, or pillowcase. Break for example, you could leave an essential oil and number 147, soaked cotton ball on your nightstand or desk. Break 4. Use the steam method. Break the steam method involves adding 1 or 2 drops of essential oil to a bowl of steaming water, placing a towel over your head and the bowl, then inhaling the steam. Be sure to keep your eyes closed when you lean over the bowl and inhale the steam. Break the steam method is not recommended for children under 7 years old. Those over age 7 should wear eye protection, such as swimming goggles, when around the steam. Break 5. Add oils to a bath or shower. Break another way to benefit from essential oils is to use them in a bath or shower. Oil and water don't mix well, though, so it's important to dilute the essential oil with a barrier substance first, such as: break aloe jellyAnother oil that doesn't have a strong scent, such as jojoba oil, avocado oil, or grapeseed oilLotion 6. Apply essential oils directly to your skin. Break you can use essential oils on your skin, but be sure to mix them with a carrier oil first. Applying essential oils directly to your skin can cause irritation, as they are highly concentrated. Break mix your favorite essential oil with a mild oil like coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil, then massage it into your skin. Break experts recommend no more than a 3% to 5% concentration of diluted essential oil when applied to small areas of the skin. This means that for 1 teaspoon of carrier oil, no more than 5 drops of essential oil should be added. For uses over larger parts of the body or as a massage oil, only a 1% concentration should be used. Break try a small amount of the diluted essential oil mixture on a small part of your skin to check for any adverse reactions or sensitivities. Break essential oils can be toxic when ingested. Break the high concentration of essential oils can make them toxic when swallowed. Ingesting essential oils should only be done under the direct supervision of a healthcare provider or aromatherapist. Essential oils are not regulated for safety and potency by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Therefore, not all the ingredients may be listed on the bottle, making them generally unsafe to consume. Who should avoid them? Certain groups of people may experience more risk than benefit from using essential less than /speak oils. Children, for example, are more likely to have an adverse reaction to essential oils than adults. Parents should be more cautious about using them in children. For example, peppermint essential oil is sometimes used to help with headaches, but the smell of peppermint essential oil can agitate a child under 2.5 years old or increase the risk of seizures. In addition, people with respiratory conditions, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, COPD, or asthma, may be more susceptible to respiratory tract irritation from essential oils. People with allergies or sensitivities to certain scents or ingredients in essential oils should also avoid using essential oils. Check the oil quality before getting started. The quality of essential oils varies widely, especially since they are not FDA regulated. Always check the quality of an essential oil before using it in your home or on your body. Here are a few tips to help pick out a high-quality essential oil. Check to see if the scientific name of the oil is written on the label. Look for contact information if you have questions about the essential oil. Make sure the company lists the source of the oil. Opt for organic, which will help ensure they don't contain additives or so. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.